Wanted to show another option for replacing those cheap plastic latches on your US General Series 3. Seen a lot of great ideas online about using magnets to be able to get that nice soft close and get a little bit of resistance so that your drawers don't just fly open, especially when rolling the cart around. But found another option here. There's a 1-inch cube that is available on Amazon. So it's a neodymium magnet. So the pulling force is just absolutely amazing. And it's worked out really well for even empty drawers and fully loaded drawers as well. But this was just probably the easiest one to actually go through and install. So I just want to give a quick demo here, just on this 16 that I've got on the side of my 56. I just want to zoom in here, and you can see all the way in the back for the top drawer, which is basically like a 2U. I've got just one placed. So usually for the smaller drawers, I've been using just one of these neodymium magnets. And for the larger drawers, I've been using two, but just to give you an idea how this nice action really is. See that soft close? Nice, good pulling force as well. It's really worked out well. So even just rolling this out around the driveway or some uneven ground, haven't had my drawers open, even fully loaded with the sockets and the wrenches. So it's worked out really, really well. And you can see that all the way in the back, just place that either on the right or the left of the actual locking channel for the drawers. So that works out really, really well. I just want to quickly show off, we have a bumper that I've added to the end just to give it about 2 millimeters of separation from the drawer because I wanted to fix it to the back wall. And just having this silicone bumper just on the top worked out really well. It gives it a little less noise, doesn't really metal on metal, and it won't actually pull the magnet because sometimes with the this large magnet it would actually pull out on the drawer. So this definitely saved that, and I've had no issues since using the silicone. I just want to give a quick here demo of a fully loaded drawer. So I got the 56 here, sockets on the top, and this immense pulling force, I'd say about 20 pounds. And then you can see it just suck it right back in. And again, 4 wrenches, fully loaded. And even just for the totally empty. So this is actually a great option. Just wanted to toss it out there. It's not the cheapest out there, but works out really, really well. I'm super pleased.